So you're on the fence about going ahead and taking the plunge and go vegan, but you're still worried about where to get your protein. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to dig into that and show you an easy way to get your protein so you never have to worry about it again. Hey, in case you don't know me, my name is Jason Chaney, and let's go ahead and dig into today's subject. So one of the things that I always get, whether it's from people in the United States or even people here in Colombia, is where do I get my protein? Like I tell you, like if I had $1 for every time someone asked me where I get my protein, I would probably be the richest man in the world. But this is one of the things that everyone is confused about. Like, how can I get protein? I have to get it from eating animals. And the truth is, all protein comes from plants. All protein comes from the food that grows from the earth. And so animals are just a byproduct of protein. And so I didn't know this in the beginning until I started taking the plunge, going plant-based, learning more about what it is to eat vegan, how to do it in the healthiest way possible. This is when I started finding out all the different ways to get protein in to where I never had to worry about it. And so if you saw my picture that I posted yesterday of the food that I had, I made like some coconut cream mashed potatoes, some sauteed vegetables, and then I had a barbecue textured vegetable protein, and TVP for short. And so that is what it was. It was a texture where it gave a texture of beef tips. And so essentially I had some of the same meal that I used to eat as a child, whereas mashed potatoes, a veggie, and beef tips, but it was vegetable protein. And so if you're not familiar with it, and you may not know this, but TVP, and this is what it looks like. This is the one that I used yesterday. They come in different forms, different sizes, different textures. This one's a little bit more for to give you like a beef tip texture. They have some that are a little bit more finer where you can turn it into like a sausage patty. They have one that's more like for a bolognese. So it's like real good for spaghetti, pastas, things like that. But the possibilities are actually endless out there for you if you're actually know what you're doing and know exactly how to use them. So like this is the brand I use. This is here in South America, so you may not find this. Yes, it's in Spanish. So if you may find a different brand, different packaging in the United States, so depending on where you're living. If you're in the US, I'll tell you this, Amazon is the best way to get this. It's very cheap. You don't have to go looking for it in the store, and you can get like a 3 to 5 pound bag for like $4 to $5. Like it's really affordable. TVP, if you may not know this, but it used to be used in a lot of school lunches before they started changing things to incorporating more animal agriculture. And also, if you used to eat like Hormel vegetable chili or the no meat chili, this is what used to be in it. You just didn't know it. So this is where TVP is something that's been used for a long time. Like TVP has been around for years. This isn't something new. This isn't some new product. So don't waste your money on marketing, on things that's being marketed well with some fancy package. I think for this I paid in USD $1. And just to let you know how much protein is in this, 1 cup of texture vegetable protein TVP has around 47 grams of protein. So if you notice, whenever you see me post pictures with my food, and if I'm using this, I do not eat a lot of it. And that's why I usually make about 1.5 cups to 2 cups for me and my wife, and that's enough for us. Hey, Bobby. And so you don't have to use a lot. A little goes a long way. This is one of those ways like you can actually help your budget. You can save a lot of money by using things like this, especially buying in bulk. One of the things I wanted to let you know about this, like being plant-based is not expensive. It's going to be as expensive as your food home. If you don't have a grasp of your food home, if you have a food home where you eat out a lot, you're more of a fast food eater, it's going to be expensive. But it's not because you went plant-based. It's because of your lifestyle. If you have an expensive eating lifestyle, your eating is going to always be expensive. And so that's why I always encourage people, try to start discovering your food home. It is very important. If you're not taking the time to discover your food home, you're going to never get the health that you want, and you're never going to lose the weight you want. And also, you're never going to start really saving money and seeing how affordable it is to be healthy. It's this big misconception that, eating healthy is very expensive. No. Eating healthy is very affordable if you know how to eat healthy, affordable. Even here in Colombia, you'll be shocked when people be like, oh, you just spend that much amount of money on groceries? Oh, you just paid for that? And it's because I have a very affordable eating healthy habit. I know what things to buy in bulk. I know what things to buy fresh. I know how to use little things like this. Like the average person, they will probably cook the whole box of this thinking like, oh, I'm still eating meat. And no, it's not the case. Like once you start transitioning, you start eating a lot. Your eating habits change. This is why if you truly want to lose weight, you have to address your eating lifestyle. No diet is going to ever help you address your eating lifestyle. You have to start incorporating. And this is why most diets are failing people, because they're telling you, oh, just do this temporary action for a short term and you're going to get the results. And the results you're going to always get is like a yo-yo. You're going to lose and then it's going to come back up. You're going to lose, it's going to come back up. But if you start addressing your food home, and if you actually start understanding how to start incorporating a healthy lifestyle into your eating, you will actually start losing weight and being able to keep it off. And just to show you, like this shirt here, I bought this shirt last month. It is too big now. I'm gonna have to end up giving it away, and I hate that I have to do it, but I'm grateful I have to do it also. And so like that is the beauty about understanding your food home. That is the beauty about plant-based also. Like it's no more yo-yo dieting. It's no more plateauing. There's no more you lose 5 pounds and then a month later you gain 20. Like you can have the health and the weight that you want, but it takes you actually taking the commitment and doing the action steps of doing it each and every day. So today, your action step for you is go and see what type of protein substitutes are there for you. If you go to the store today, or if you go this weekend, just jot down what are different protein sources for you. Or just go on Amazon and look. Like you don't even have to leave your home to do this. Like this is the beauty of it. Like go on Amazon and look and just type in TVP and see what comes up. See what the prices look like. See what's the different types they have. And then also start looking in the comments and seeing like, how are the people making it? Because as you start to get this knowledge, something start happening. It's called the reticular activating system. I learned this through Tony Robbins. Once you start seeing things, your brain is going to start seeing more of it. It's going to start showing you more of what's out there. And this is how you start actually incorporating a healthier lifestyle. It's not by just wishing or sitting and hoping. It's not about just spending your money. It's not about keep trying each fad diet, doing some crazy diet here and there because this person say they got the results. It's about actually learning. Learning is one of the biggest important parts of losing weight and keeping it off. So I hope that was helpful for you. I hope you got value from this. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want me to start sharing more food with you, some of the things that I buy here, especially when it comes to protein substitutes, just let me know in the comments below and I'll start sharing more things with you, showing more pictures and explaining to you some of the things and how I substitute textures when it comes to using plant-based proteins such as TVP. Also, if you are looking for a community where you can be supported, looking for a community where you can get more information, where you have a safe place and you just feel comfortable to be able to ask questions and start getting the journey of losing weight, make sure you click the link up above. That's the free Facebook group that I put together. It's the real people losing weight with a plant-based diet. And we talk about things such as what are some foods to eat. It gives you, like, I also ask you questions like, do you prefer tomatoes or cucumbers? Like, it's get you to start thinking in a healthier way. It's to start helping you get all of this junk that's being thrown at us each and every day through the TV commercials, telling us, oh, we need to eat all of this. Oh, we need to eat this new superfood. This is about just taking it back to the basics and just like, what do you like? And so if you want more information like that, just make sure you click the link up above, join the free Facebook group. Can't wait to see you in there. And I will see you tomorrow for Free Coaching Friday. And have a great Thursday. Ciao.